Hello everyone! Since busy man ako mama, I am going to learn how to cook inununan. Help me, I don't know how to cook. But let's do this with my memory because I always look at mama when she cooks inununan. So first we have vinegar. Of course, you cannot forget vinegar. This is the overpowered ingredient. And then next is asin. Anyways, this is our fish, fresh from the refrigerator. So we have our fish and it is called Sure Falls. Wow, because it is tamarong. And what's pa ganito?
Bulao.
And bulao. I forgot. I'm not one to exactly memorize names. But anyway, let us start. What do we do? This is gonna take me a while. It's gonna be very awkward. When I used to cook, I was scared. Ooh, I was like very scared of the fire. So ako ra ilabay ang kun.
Pinay.
Ilabay na ko ang match kay di ako ginasunog. Wait. Salt Bay.
Ito pa. Turot.
Ato na ni hulaton para muhumok dayon tilawan duga-duga. Yeah. Cut myself on the back. I need to fix my hair. Smell is so good. So guys, hatutilawan ang iyahang sauce. I don't want to burn my tongue. Oh yeah! We have the taste that we're really looking for. Kung ganaan ka mag-inununan guys, dami siya kung gamiton ang suka sa lubi. Mao din ni guys ang muhang munting kusina. And this is where actually I am going to record. We have renovated it a little bit, so yeah. And these over here are my proudly made paintings.
Siya mga painting abi.
So this is like the night sky, but this is like, I think I laid trees.
How about that one?
The moon, oh this is actually a sunset. This is my first painting on a canvas. My second one, the other one was a fail. So, and of course, our dinner, inununan. Okay, this is our sink by the way. It's very messy. Sorry about that. And this is where we cook. Or we have like a hot pot, a rice cooker. We wanted to use a kaldero, pero sige naman kadukot. So rice cooker na lang. And we can heat it. That's very good. So guys, luto na atong luto. Okay everyone, luto na ato ang delicious na inununan. Mukuha sa ako og plate para ato ni mahukad. Yes. This is my job.
Asis Ang kulot.
Umana na mi kaon guys, and ako ang life advice niyo guys is manghipos gid pag umanin niyo kaon. Di kablo naman mo sa baba ni mama, mag-armalite, rapper. Pero joke guys. Pero dapat kita manglimpyo kay mga maminyat, mga insects, di yun mga tumalay and I am so full everyone, and pag human kayo mo study for the periodical test guys, hapit na murag this week na ang akong worried kayo nga subject kay math kid. Oh my gosh, finally live. That's the most, I don't know, very crucial subject in our school. Kung siya guys, easy siya, pero murag kung i-memorize karon na week ang periodical test, I really don't think it's a very good chance. But you know what? Ako dapat memorize on. Especially for all the subjects. Then after mo tuon ko, kay mo kuan pahuway na ko guys. That's like my routine at night. Every night, ako gid mo hugas kay si mama man every morning. I usually study like 2 subjects, okay? Kora i-memorize and then questiono na ko ni mama. Very easy. Pero ang math yun, okay, kanang dili siya ingon na lisod gid guys. Pero kanang it's hard to memorize kay daghan biya kayo the topics in math. Like polynomials, binomials, rice, degrees, bases. It's just too much to handle. Mutabang na lagi ko guys, kaya para dili more kapoy ako mga parents. Because they have work too. And I have school. West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, like the breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, country mama, take me home. Country road, I hear her voice in the morning. She calls me, the radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country road. This is what I'm doing while washing dishes, singing. Everyone, I am now done with the dishes, and I am going to study because doon na ang periodical, and I am going to study Aralpan. I actually love the subject even though I don't understand Tagalog very much, but I love it so much. So our our last topic is religion. We actually did a report, I think it was last week, and we reported the religion is Islam.
Guys,
Let us study.